Hello everybody, how are you all doing? Take a look around. Yes, this is a very up-to-date video. In fact, this is the Monday when this video is going out, the Monday morning. I've just, for the first time in months, done the school run with Hells. Yeah, we are here. Now, why am I doing this introduction right now? Well, two reasons. Number one, as you guys have seen over the last few videos, quite a few videos, I haven't really had the time to do a proper introduction and an outro during some of our videos. I've just been trying to get on, you know, a lot to do. So here I am, you're getting an intro, and we'll probably get a little bit of talking at the end of the video as well. But also, the big thing that we want to talk to you about is that I have done a big video. The big video.
The big video.
I've been talking about doing the big video for, crikey, half a year and trying to find the time to do it. There has been two occasions. One right after Christmas where I got really poorly, so I couldn't do it. And then what was it, about 6-7 weeks ago, I was quarter of the way through doing the big video and the SSD that I was working on died. So that makes 2 SSDs and 1 HDD. Yes, we know there's an issue. We don't know what it is. I have bought a UPS to make sure that the sine wave of the AC coming in is correct, because yeah, there's too many hard drives going. Anyway, so attempt number 3 stuck. It is done. However, there is a but. There is a may. That's me. It's 2 hours long.
It's long.
It's blue long, very long. So I would like you guys in the comments today to tell us, are we mad to put out a video that's 2 hours long, or would you guys actually be interested in watching it? It is literally us from arrival up until kind of, yeah, the videos that you have just watched last week, basically.
Yeah,
so
it's 4 years condensed into 2 hours, so yeah.
The trials and the tribulations, the good and the bad. So yes, let us know in the comments what you think, because we are very interested. So
do you think 2 hours, a magnum opus, or would you like to see it in 2 parts? Let us know what you think.
Okay. Right, enjoy this one. I'll talk to you just a little bit at the end.
I said, never again.
I don't doubt it. Happened again?
I say, feet. Ah, no, it's here.
I don't know. I haven't asked him, but
So yes, do both sides.
both sides like that.
Yes,
yeah.
please.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Can I?
If you must do actual work.
Sorry.
I said if you must get on to do some actual work.
Yes, I would like. I would like. Okay. So you want some board in?
Yeah, I'll give you a hand, mate.
Okay.
Give you a hand.
The wedge.
Yeah.
Ah. Great. Wish me luck.
Bon courage.
There is two ways.
À toi.
The first one.
Well, you got a fixed point there, haven't you?
I will try to slide it. Yes. So I think yes, we will move.
I saw nothing.
Don't look. So if I do that, you will see it.
a ladder right there.
Yes. There is. There is a ladder.
Oh, skills.
There is a ladder, you said.
Okay, skills to pay the bills. It would take a miracle for this to work. Already, look.
Yes.
My plan B is metal cornier drill. Yeah, what do you reckon? I think it'll look alright.
A 50-50?
Yeah. It's got to be that to be actually able to screw it on. The 30 by 30 wouldn't be enough. Look, you can see that we're only just in there. I've got loads of this left over. Long enough length, we just zing it off, throw it on there. I know that's not necessarily what you would have, but
No.
yeah.
So, anything, just do a stock of plaster.
Stock of plaster.
Yes, plaster here, plaster here, plaster here.
Nothing sharp there.
No.
I think I like the mingingness of it. If we threw a bit of lacquer on there, to stop it rubbing off.
A photo for the miss.
Yeah. Do you like that? So, see what she thinks. I might get her to come and take a look because we've got bundles of this, like laying outside. So it won't cost us anything. I need to drill holes in it every, 3 meters, so every 300 or something like that. Then the black with a little countersink. So it goes relatively flush. Leave these things on the outside, any joins, and just buzz them off on the inside. So it's because at the moment it's rocking on there. Well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that one. Please do remember to let us know in the comments below whether you think we're mad to be releasing a 2-hour-long video or whether you think that's a sensible thing to do. I'm kind of the opinion that I think the whole story should be seen in one go. However, I do understand that 2 hours is a lot of time for anybody to give up for us. I don't know.
This?
Yeah, this craziness. However, if you choose to watch it in kind of 3 or 4 sittings, that's actually fine. In fact, I think the algorithm kind of likes it when people leave a video but then go back to it and continue to watch it. So yeah, and we could definitely do with a little bit of love from the algorithm at the moment.
Yeah.
Things have looked a little bit strange on our end. Yeah, like a lot less views, and that has a consequence for us that we get a lot less money. So I don't know, like obviously I have been missing at the beginning and the ends of the videos, and who knew that me rambling on like this was so important to the videos. But who knows, it might just be that all of you lovely lot are out in the countryside or in your gardens getting on and doing things. I'd like to think that it's that, actually.
Yeah, let's say it's that.
Yeah. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe the love is just leaving somehow.
And love has died. Maybe they
Yeah.
just can't handle the beard.
Well, that brings me to this thing. I am not in love with this.
I'm not in
and-
love. Well, I'm in love with this, but not this.
Yeah. So this big video, if it goes out in 2 parts or 1 part, in 2 weeks' time, either it would have done well and we would get that extra 10,000 subscribers or 11,000. Yes, we are aware things have been going down, or it hasn't moved the needle at all. Either way, say goodbye to this in 2 weeks' time. It's going. All it's good for is covering my nipples. So that's about it, really. So yes. So I'm looking forward to, no matter what happens with this video, not having a beard and just having a strange two-tone face where this is quite sun-beaten already and the rest of it's kind of lily white, winter white.
Imagine how young you're going to look.
Aha! Yes. Anyway, that's way too much waffle. See you Wednesday and we'll have another chit-chat. Bye-bye.
See ya.